Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse the YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to follow the playhead at the current frame in Blender video editing software. So it's pretty easy, but at the same time it was very annoying, at least for me, when I started editing my videos in Blender video editing, and it was just annoying and really blocked me a lot. It was very annoying, so don't worry, in this video I'll show you how you can fix this problem. So let's jump right into the video. Pretty much what you have to do is to go to Playhead. If you want to fix this problem, I just enable follow current frame. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials and like this video. This will help a lot this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. And also, if you have any questions related to Blender video editing, please let me know in the comment section, and if there's something and I can help with, I'll create a tutorial. So thank you for watching. Take care.